What's up, y'all? This is David from Caribbean Art Prints, and in this one, I will be designing a Caribbean ABC poster for kids who want to learn the alphabet and maybe a little more about Caribbean heritage. All right, let's do it.
Tell your mommy, tell your daddy, tell your auntie.
All right, so today I'm going to be using two things, Adobe InDesign as my main canvas, and then Midjourney to generate all the images. So first things first, let's open up Adobe InDesign. We will make a new canvas that we'll do our poster on. Usually in design, you want to start with the biggest size that you're working with. For me, that's going to be a 24 by 36. I'm making a large 24 by 36 alphabet poster. I'm going to create a bit of a margin. Usually when you're making posters, you want to work inwards a little bit, especially for something like this, because most likely this will live in a frame. So you want some space between the edge and where your content actually starts. I'm going to divide this into 4 columns by 7 rows, so 4 7 is 28. There's 26 letters in the alphabet, so we'll just have a space or 2 spaces at the end. So the last ones we'll just put in the middle. So we can do a larger font size for the letters, a smaller one for the words themselves, and then space for the imagery. So that will be what's contained in this square. All right, so we'll do all the letters right now. Fully grown adult does not know the alphabet. Anyway. So alphabet of the Caribbean for the title. All right, so that's looking good. We have the basic structure of the poster itself. Now what we want to do is to hop over to Midjourney. So for me, let's start with B, for example, breadfruit. So you're gonna go /imagine breadfruit on a white background in the style of 2D game art. Elongated shapes, Forania P30, flat illustrations, hand coloring, Role Prego 90, --AR 1:1, which just means that the ratio of the image they're generating will be a square. All right, enter, see what it comes up with. And then we'll do this a couple times until we have something that we like for the breadfruit. We can go back to InDesign. I'll drop this into B for breadfruit. And then so on and so forth. 25 more to go. Let's keep going. So once we've placed all our images into the poster, I think the final touch is, see how all these letters right now are black? What I'm gonna do is to pick a color from the image itself for the letter and the word, just to kind of make it a little more colorful for the kids. So for example, if I zoom into the hibiscus, I can actually pick the color of the hibiscus flower for my letters and my word to make things a little more bright and colorful and attractive to the eye. Okay, so I'll do that for the rest of the alphabet. Boom. That is a Caribbean alphabet poster if I've ever seen one. I'm going to go ahead and export this and get this up onto the Caribbean Art Prints Etsy shop. I'll attach a link in the description below if anyone wants to purchase a physical print and have it shipped to you. Otherwise, thank you for hanging out with me and designing a Caribbean ABC poster. What should I do next? Should I do a Jamaica one specifically? A Trini one specifically? Let me know. Thanks a lot, guys. I will see you in the next one.